So I'm going to be unboxing the Xbox Series X Forza bundle. So here I have the bundle. So it comes in this sleeve and this is the actual console. So let's open it up. So here, as you can see, there's a lot of like foam cushioning, and here's the actual Xbox. So it's wrapped nice and tight, nicely like Christmas present almost. You have some instructions here and the actual console, which is fairly heavy. So before we start opening the console, let's look at some of the accessories which are here. So it comes with a HDMI 2.1 cable and a carbon black controller. So let me open the controller. It's the same control. It also comes with a set of batteries. As you can see, this is the controller. It feels really nice and it's pretty similar to the Xbox One X controller. This one's in carbon black. However, if you got the Series S, you would have gotten a white one. So let's actually unbox the Xbox Series X. So as we pull that tab off, we can tear some of the tape off, and we can open the Xbox up. Here we can see is its top side, I believe, and here it is, the Xbox Series X. So so it has air intake at the back, along with an expansion card, HDMI, and 2 USB ports. It also has I think that's Ethernet. So here's the front. We have a disc and another USB cable. We can turn it on from here, and we have ventilation up here.